What's going on, guys? Thrills on the Block back again, and this time we're doing a tire shine review. Oh, hang on, not that one, but this one. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's the dealer's choice foaming tire shine. So we're going to see if this tire shine is any better than this tire shine. Now, if you've seen my video before, you've seen that this tire shine I use on the inner fender wells. It works really good on the rubber and keeps the, really good on the plastic and keeps that plastic looking new. We're going to try this on some tires and see what it does. I'm here with the daily driver, and yes, that's a Buick logo. So for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, the Pontiac is now a Buick. Anyway, foam tire shine. You see the tire is not treated. There's a little bit of water there, just wash the car. I know, I'm getting it on the wheels, I know! Alright, let's go over to the front one. Alright, we'll let that sit a little bit. So for those of you who don't know, the Pontiac's a Buick, like I said. Regal. Oh yeah, that's right. So let's give that, wow, I don't think we have to give it any time at all. Now, unless I missed this spot down here, it didn't do squat. Maybe that was wet. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh no, I definitely got down there because it's on the wheel, so. All right. Guess I'll go ahead and read the directions now that I've went ahead and applied it anyway. Shake well. Hold can 4 to 6 inches away, spray liberally and evenly across a clean, dry surface, so make sure your tire is dry. For best results, wait 15 minutes after application before driving. So it doesn't say to wipe it down or anything. Huh. Well, so far it looks pretty good. Look at that. Nice and damp. I'm going to wipe a little bit of my extra liberal application off. Don't want the stuff slinging everywhere. But that actually looks a lot better than the spray bottle, which I used this one time on tires that didn't do very good, so that's why I started using it on the inner fenders. And you can see here I have not treated this inner fender. You see how dirty that one is. That's where this stuff comes in handy. Spray it up in there like so. Wait a few seconds. You can get in there and wipe it out. Voila, it looks much better. Not like that. You can see the difference there, so yeah. Alright, let's go to the other wheel that was treated. Alright, so my initial impressions on this tire shine is not too bad. We are going to give it a day. It's going to rain tomorrow, so we'll check it tomorrow and see how it holds up against the rain. So we didn't make it to tomorrow. So the tire no longer has any shine. It looks clean, but no shine. Yep. No shine at all. So we are going to have to find something else to do with that Dollar Tree tire shine in the can, because it just doesn't stick around. It's already gone. And maybe that's because I wiped it off. So let's add one more application. I'm not going to wipe it off, and we'll see what it looks like. This is only after about an hour. That has a nice wide pattern. This is the follow with the Dollar Tree tire shine. This is the next day, and this was spray on, no wipe off, and the tire still looked really good. You can see here on the front and the back tire. So I give the Dollar Tree tire shine a pass. Actually worked pretty good. I'm surprised. This was a spray on application, no wipe off. I left it on overnight and didn't do a rain test. Maybe we'll do another video, see how it holds up in the rain. But so for $1, you can get your vehicle clean looking like this. And yeah, definitely worth it. If you guys like this video, smash that like button, drop me a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.